Hey everyone, I'm Stefan and welcome back to Cooking with the Kems. Today we're going to be making a Southeast Asian classic, mango sticky rice, served with a delicious coconut sauce topped with Malden sea salt. If you got a rice cooker, this would be super easy to make. You won't be eating mangoes any other way after this, so let's mango go. First we're going to wash the rice. It's important to make sure the rice is properly washed. Give it a nice stir and continue this process until the water around the rice is completely clear. This should take about 4 to 5 passes with the water. The variety of rice that I'm using today is sweet rice or glutinous rice. Glutinous rice is different from any other type of rice because it has no amylose and high amounts of amylopectin, which gives that sticky quality to this rice. You might be thinking glutinous rice has gluten. This rice is completely gluten-free like any other rice. Traditional sticky rice is usually soaked overnight and steamed in bamboo or a steamer, and it takes hours to steam properly and cook. But today we are using a rice cooker. I'm adding water according to my rice cooker, which is equal parts water and rice. The rice cooker has a function mode for sweet rice, and it's going to take about 49 minutes to cook. While we wait for the rice to cook, let's prep the coconut sauce. This coconut sauce is super simple and easy to make. We're going to need a medium sauce pot. I'm adding in some coconut milk. Use a spatula and make sure to get all of that deliciousness into the pot. Now for some good old granulated sugar. Then a pinch of salt. And we turn the heat to medium and stir until the sugar and salt is completely dissolved. If you start to see the sides begin to brown too much, just turn the heat down. After the mixture is completely homogeneous, it's time to add a tapioca starch slurry, made of equal parts starch and water. This will help as a stabilizer and thickener. Remove the pan from the heat and let cool for later. Once the rice cooker sings, let's take a look at the rice and remove it from the cooker and into a bowl. Perfectly cooked glutinous rice is very sticky and you can still see the individual grains. While it's still warm, I like to stir in some of that coconut sauce so that it absorbs into the rice. This step can be done 2 to 3 hours before serving. Now let's peel our mangoes. If you're not comfortable with holding a knife and peeling this way, it's okay to cut by tracing the center out of the mango and peeling afterwards. The best way to find the seed is to start from the top narrow end of the mango and carefully angle your knife towards the seed so that the knife is pressing against the seed and slide right through. And then slice thin and fan it out before bringing it back into a spiral bunch. This is my artistic interpretation on this classic. I have some ripe Ataulfo mangoes, also known as honey or champagne mangoes. These mangoes are golden yellow and elongated in shape. What makes this mango perfect is that the flesh is not fibrous and it has a rich and sweet flavor. I'm doing a modern plate up of this classic. First, I like to start off with a ring mold and place some of the rice in and give it a nice press. Then top it off with the mango. Carefully remove the ring, then add a nice drizzle of that coconut sauce. Garnish with some mint leaves and a scatter of toasted mung beans. Finally, add a nice sprinkle of flaky sea salt. Mango sticky rice. It's sweet, salty, creamy, and amazing. The Malden sea salt amplifies the sweetness of the mango and makes it pop. The toasted mung bean gives it that crunchiness paired with that soft sticky rice, and the coconut cream is velvety, rich, and unctuous. We hope you enjoyed this dessert as much as we did. Try it out and let us know what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you for supporting our channel. We have so much fun making these videos for you all, and we hope to share more recipes with you in the near future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also check us out on our social media accounts at Cooking Kems.